This recipe is for homemade mayonnaise, and it does look rather nice. First, it separates 2 eggs, as it only needs the yolks for this recipe. It cracks the shell, then passes the yolk back and forth between the shells. If it gets enough requests, it will make a video with a recipe for the leftover egg white. It places a clean cloth on the work surface, it places a saucepan on top, then lifts the cloth over the pan. It then sits a bowl in the pan, which creates a firm base that will not wobble or slide while whisking. It drops the yolks into the bowl, followed by the vinegar and then a good dollop of Dijon mustard. The full recipe will be in the description. It's using cold-pressed avocado oil for this recipe, as it is much healthier than seed oils. It then starts adding the oil in very slowly indeed. What it is creating here is an emulsion. If it adds the oil too fast, it can split or break the sauce, and it will look like a total idiot. Avocado oil is quite expensive, so this is a good reason to like this video and subscribe to the channel, even leave a comment perhaps. It has accidentally added the oil in too quickly whilst not whisking fast enough, and the total numpty has broken the sauce. It is awfully embarrassed with its mistake and will now take this opportunity to show you how to fix or mend a broken sauce. It separates 1 more egg yolk and places into a clean bowl. It now starts adding the split sauce to the yolk very, very slowly. It continues adding slowly while whisking constantly. If its arm gets a little tired, then it stops adding the oil mixture for a while. Its silly little arm recovers. When all of the broken mixture is combined, and this time it has not split, it continues to add the remaining avocado oil to complete this rather nice mayonnaise. It finishes the mayonnaise by adding some salt and pepper to season before decanting into a clean jar. It labels with the date and stores in the fridge. Please stay tuned to the channel, as in the next video, it will use this lovely mayonnaise to make this coronation chicken, which looks rather nice.